Hello and welcome back my YouTube family. So today I'm back with a recipe of Punjabi Dum Aloo. Now this recipe is going to be creamy and rich, so I hope you like the recipe. Do share your feedback in the comment section and don't forget to subscribe my channel. So let's start cooking.
Here I'm using half a kg of baby potatoes which I've already peeled and I'm going to boil them now. So while boiling the potatoes, I'll add in some salt. I'm using half a teaspoon and 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, and I'll let them boil till they are well cooked. So the potatoes are fully boiled now. I'll strain them. So you can even fry these potatoes till they're nice golden brown, but I'll just saute them in some ghee. So now in a frying pan, I'll just add 1 tablespoon of ghee. And just let this heat up. Now I'll just transfer my potatoes in the pan and I'll just toss them till they're nice golden brown in color. Just keep on tossing them for the even color. So now the potatoes have got a nice color on it. I'll start making the gravy now. So for gravy, I'll add in 2 tablespoons of ghee and just let this heat up. Now in ghee I'll just add some whole spices, 1 bay leaf, 1 cinnamon stick, 1 black cardamom and 3 green cardamoms, and just let them splutter. After these I'll add in 3 onions which I've sliced and cook them till they're nice golden brown. So while my onions are turning brown, I'll just make a ginger garlic paste mixture. I've got 2 teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. I'll add some salt, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of cumin powder and just 1 teaspoon of degi mirch, and mix it all together. Just add some water to make a thick paste. On the other side, my onions have nicely turned brown in color now. It's time to add in the ginger garlic paste mixture that we made. And now I'll cook it for another 7 to 8 minutes on medium heat till it is nicely cooked. We don't want that raw smell of ginger garlic paste. So now my masala is cooked perfectly. It's time to add in the curd. I'm using 250 grams of curd. This is beaten curd. And keep on stirring it continuously. We don't want the curd to splutter. And your flame should be on low heat at this stage. Keep on stirring it continuously. So while my gravy is cooking, I'll also add in some cashew nuts. These are chopped cashew nuts. I'm using 15 grams. Just keep on stirring it. So guys, as you can notice that the oil has started to come on top. That means our masala is nicely cooked. Now I'll switch off the flame and let it cool down before grinding the masala. So I've ground the masala to a thick paste. Now I'll just sieve it with the help of a strainer straight in the pan. I'll just use a spatula. I'll also add some water to the leftover gravy. Just strain it nicely. Before adding the potatoes to the gravy, let the gravy come to a boil. So my gravy has come to a boil. It has started to thicken up. I'll add in the potatoes. Just keep on stirring it with the gravy. Now I'll just cover it for another 10 minutes till all the potatoes soak in the gravy nicely. So after 10 minutes, my gravy looks perfect now. So for some sweetness, I'll just add in half a teaspoon of sugar now. For some more flavor, I'll add half a teaspoon of cardamom powder and 1 teaspoon of kasuri methi powder. Stir it nicely. Now just to finish it, I'll just add in 1 tablespoon of cream. Just mix it all together. So guys, now our Punjabi dum aloo is ready. This is the perfect consistency to serve it.
So guys, this was Punjabi Dum Aloo recipe for you. If you like the recipe, do let me know in the comment section. And don't forget to subscribe my channel. Till then, bye and take care.